Welcome back. You are listening to AI with Shelly. I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar. Today is July 29th, 2024, and if you have been on social media at all this morning, you have likely seen the math world in a bit of a frenzy. We have just witnessed what many are calling the AlphaGo moment for formal logic. Google DeepMind's AlphaProof and Alpha Geometry 2 just took home a silver medal at the International Mathematical Olympiad. Think about that for a second. These are problems that the brightest young minds on earth spend hours sweating over. The AI did not just pass, it secured perfect scores on 4 out of the 6 problems, including the hardest one in the entire competition. While it did hit what researchers call a combinatorics wall, meaning it can solve the world's most complex geometry but still struggles with creative counting, like the logic of arranging people in a circle, the shift here is absolutely clear. We are moving away from large language models that simply guess and moving toward large reasoning models that can actually prove. I remember when I was writing my first book on AI, the general consensus was that high level mathematical intuition was still decades away. Yet, here we are, watching Fields medalists like Terence Tao discuss how AI is using a language called lean to bridge the gap between human thought and machine truth. It is a bit like watching a calculator finally learn how to show its work with perfect logic. But it leaves us with a massive question. If AI can solve a proof that takes a human 3 days in just a few minutes, how long until it is solving our most complex physics or cryptography problems? Here is my bonus tip for today. 1. If you are a developer or a student, take 10 minutes today to look up the Lean programming language. 2. It is fast becoming the bridge that allows AI to achieve mathematical truth without the risk of hallucinating. As someone once said, mathematics is the music of reason. Today, the AI has officially joined the orchestra. I would love to hear your take on this. Is a silver medal enough to change your timeline for AGI? Find me on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, or Medium, and let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment and let's discuss. Thanks for joining me on AI with Shelly. Catch you in the next one.